If I knew then what I know now, I would have declined to represent Donald Trump in these post-election challenges. I look back on this whole experience with deep remorse.
Do you view her rushing to court today as trying to beat the next person?
I think that she either on her own or got good advice. That you notice the first offense was misdemeanors, then we moved to felonies and so forth. And there's going to become a cutoff point. And I've always made the remark about, you know, we have a bus and we're putting people on it. You're either on it or you're under it. And so those people who are rushing to get on the bus, their instinct is correct. And they're in this middle ground where they have something to bargain with and they're not as offensive or as bad as, say, Trump. The vector should always be pointing up through the pyramid in the conspiracy. And these all satisfy that condition. And so what we have is we have people who are pointing up at those who misled them, that tantalized them, that brought them to this ruin, and now they're coming back from it. So whatever hesitation they have as they cross the river Styx back to society is compensated by the fact that they're doing it, that they've made a commitment to do it. And the shame and embarrassment and humiliation and what it means to a person who studied the law to perhaps lose their bar license and to have this stamp on them, I think is significant. And so, is no man above the law? Well, we still have problems with that, but we're working on it. So I think that's what's happening today, and what you're going to do later in the show is significant for that reason. It's a big
you're talking about this big news about Mark Meadows.
Absolutely.
And we have, with Jan 6 witness Cassie Hutchison. I think we even have a box for that on screen somewhere. Somewhere there's a way to show that for folks who want to know. But Cassie Hutchison's coming up, as you mentioned, so we'll get to the DOJ Meadows case. Yeah. I also want to show you the Washington Post reporting on the contours of this. As part of their plea deals, it says Hall, Powell, and Cheeseborough recorded these lengthy videos answering prosecutors' questions about all of this. How unusual is that, and where will that be used? Because it would seem to lock them in more than just hoping that in 6 months they'll be good.
Well, you do that. When I was a prosecutor, it was almost always before a grand jury. And you don't just go in and do it by the seat of your pants. You've questioned them, you've studied them, and so forth. If they're uncertain, you probably don't go into that area because you don't want to compromise what they'll say later. But it's good to be saying it before the brickbats start flying and people are being accused of things and so forth, and you're not credible.